Good morning, Millennium students. This is Teresa. Yes, you guys see our awesome sweaters that me and Teresa are wearing? $25. You like? I like it. I'm going to keep this and take it home with me. I'm not supposed to, but I probably will. Yeah.
And if you want them, go to Miss K. $25. Okay, so yesterday was Club Rush, and it was great. Everything went great. But in case you missed it, go to Miss K and see how you could sign up. And here is a clip of Club Rush.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
And we back. Alright, so Lions International is sponsoring their 77th annual student speaker contest. This year the topic is community service. And what does it mean and why does it really matter to our community? The speeches should be no less than 5 minutes and cannot exceed 10 minutes. And all interested students, you guys should prepare their speeches and notify the counseling office no later than February 1st. Yes, this contest is open to all high school students. So for all of you guys that want to write something, go ahead.
So tomorrow is our sock hop in the gym at lunchtime. Get there as soon as you can because we only have a limited time. So you're going to dance, have fun.
In socks.
In socks.
You guys have to take off your shoes.
Have to.
Have to. Next week, for Throwback Thursday nest competition, we'll be playing Twister. Yes, so we need 4 people per nest to volunteer. Sign up with Miss K, and you guys will win 500 nest points each. Per nest, not per student, per nest.
And thank you to Dominic Hegarty, to suggested Student of the Week in our focus group not too long ago. And this week, Mr. Young had suggested or nominated Dallas Glorioso as Student of the Week. So let's head over to Mr. Young.
Hey, I'm Mr. Young, and for Student of the Week, I nominated Dallas Glorioso. Since last semester, he is much improved in class, and he's meeting all my expectations and doing excellent work.
Hey, I'm Dallas, and I'd like to thank Mr. Young for nominating me for being Student of the Week. I was having a really hard time in last semester, but this semester I was focusing on doing my work and being better at what I do, and I'd like to thank him for that.
Thank you, Dallas. Winter formal is on its way. Tickets for a single person will be $20 Forever Alone and $35 for a couple. I'm Forever Alone, so I'll be paying $20. The dance is a semi-formal and will be on Saturday, February 15th. So save the date if you guys want to go to the dance. Yes. Wah! Wah!
Also, Crab Feed. Crab Feed is Saturday, February 1st, and there are several community service opportunities. So juniors and seniors who get out at 12 can earn some hours from 12:30 to 2 o'clock by setting up tables and stuff for the crab feed, and lunch will also be provided for you guys. On Saturday, February 1st, from 9:30 to 12, we will need workers to continue to set up, and you'll also get coffee and donuts. So delicious. Go there.
Yum.
We need servers from 5 to 9, and cleanup from 9 o'clock to, from 11 o'clock to whenever it's clean. And servers who want to clean up also will have to leave and then come back to clean.
Yes. Ms. Holmes can give you more information throughout the rest of the week when you guys do sign up, and sign-ups will continue throughout the rest of the week in her room.
Sign up?
Yes. There will be a mandatory meeting next Tuesday, so during lunch, for those of you guys that are working the crab feed, so make sure you guys head on over.
And that is our morning announcements.
So let's get on Falcon Pride on 3.
1,
2,
3.
Falcon Pride!
Don't just have a great morning. Have an American morning.